So I was watching this live stream of these birds today, right? And it was like a bird sanctuary or something. And there's this cockatoo, and there's this bull, and there's this parrot. That was, a big parrot going in and eating, and eating, and eating, and eating. Flicking the food all around, and eating, and eating. These other little parrots are coming up, and they're trying to eat too, you know. And and there's a cockatoo just standing there. The big parrot was colored red and blue, and the cockatoo obviously is like white, and it's all white, and it's got the real plumes, different color plumage and stuff. And the big parrot's like pecking at the other parrots, like, get away from the food. This is my food. It wasn't letting anyone eat. But the cockatoo was there, and when he went to go at the cockatoo would say, fuck off, like, hey, don't do it. And it's just weird that I saw this because, like, the cockatoo being there, uh, he wasn't exactly preventing the bigger parrot from getting his food, but um, what he did was when he was fighting back against the big parrot, like, hey, don't fuck with me, don't fuck with me. Uh, the other little parrots could sneak in and get the food, and they didn't feel as afraid. And kind of just like with this recent guy, uh, the shooting at the In and Out in Idaho or whatever. It's like the guy, maybe he didn't get the guy that was doing the thing, right? But he definitely he was there enough to make sure that the perpetrator couldn't hurt as many people as he wanted to. So, you know, eh, listen, I don't like jumping on trends and stuff or whatever. I just feel like I should talk about this. The importance of having people that won't take shit. Uh, you know, and how that's a good thing. How we should elevate those people. Um, it's an important part of society, is to make sure that there's people who can defend those who can't or don't know how or don't feel like defending themselves. Like that cockatoo. It's a good idea that there are people who will stand up to, I guess you could call it injustice like that, right? Something's wrong. At least when you stand up to it, uh, you can make sure the effects of it aren't as bad, as they could be. So, just a short little video today to get you to think about things. I guess it's a good thing that guy was there, huh? Good thing. He was there and he was allowed to have the capability to fight back. That's a good thing. People should have the freedom to be able to defend themselves. Because when you can defend yourself, that defense can extend to people who just aren't prepared to or not willing or for whatever reason can't. Maybe they're not in the position to. So I think that's a good idea for society to have that mechanism, or else you're not going to have a society. You'll have whatever, you know, fill in the blank. So be like the cockatoo. Don't put up with shit, because if you do, people will stomp all over you and other people. You, you, you don't want that. Have a nice day.